Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Means Abache, and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Homes. So today, ang didiscuss ko sa inyo is yung construction update natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Hello po, kamusta po kayo? So, for this video po, I will update you sa construction natin kay Allegra Garden Place. So, currently, as of February 2025, we're on, nasa 93% na tayo completion eh. So, currently, dito pa rin kay Amina Building, ongoing pa rin yung ano natin, yung turnover date, na yung mga turnover ng units natin. And at the same time, si Soraya Building, hopefully, by third quarter, this year, magta-turnover na tayo dyan, okay? So, for those po sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam dito kay Allegra Garden Place, a quick information tayo about this project. So, Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay? In Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. So, kung nadadaan kayo sa flyover, Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market, going to BGC, makikita niyo yan sa right side. So, there's 5 buildings doon. Yung dalawang building na pinakamataas, yun po si Allegra Garden Place. Okay? So, for this project po, we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. Okay? So, right now, nandito ako kay Amina Building. So, it's already 8 in the evening. Okay? So, makita nyo, napakaganda ng overlooking view natin dito sa skyline natin. So, then we have BGC skyline, meron tayong Makati skyline, and meron tayong Ortigas skyline. So, ang kagandahan nito, so right now dito kay Amina Building, kung gusto ninyo ng ganitong type of view, okay, na facing sa skyline, ito yung makikita ninyo. So, napakaganda. So, may mga available pa tayo na 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units dito po kay Amina Building. Pero kung gusto niyo ng bigger size, ng mga 3-bedroom unit, doon tayo sa kabilang building kay Soraya Building. Okay? So, ang next video natin will be yung mga sample computations for this project. So currently, we have a New Year sellout promo. Okay? So yun doon, mas magagandahan at mas na-maximize pa natin yung number of months to pay, because here with the MCA Homes, we base the number of months to pay depende kung gaano pa katagal yung turnover date. Pero in the case of this project po, kaya po nagbigay tayo ng promo. So parang naging pre-selling project na rin siya. Okay? Ayan, so that's it. That's wrap up my construction update for this project. So again, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung mga numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng Zoom presentation via Zoom, online presentation via Zoom, so dun sa mga clients natin based abroad. Or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede ko kayo dalhin dito sa project na to para makita niyo siya actual. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, na-notify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.